Ryu Dragon. It is an Ultrashift pigment from green to gold. This is Amabie. It is an Ultrashift pigment with the colors mauve, jade, and green.
Some teal and the purple.
Here I have Ryu Dragon. Ryu Dragon is an Ultrashift from green to gold. Right here we have a very nice brilliant green following the sun to a different angle. Actually, this is more green. And then coming back to this side. So it's this more yellowish, goldish color. So it's from green to gold. Very beautiful. Okay, so this is Amabie. Very beautiful transition on this color. The description says green, jade, and mauve. But here I am looking at like a bluish teal from this angle. And then we go to mauve. Mauve is here. So mauve is that reddish purple violet tone, but we have blue as well. Or if we come back to this side, what do you think? Beautiful colors. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for today's video. Check out the description, check out all the links. I have the Intercoat that I use, the Urechem, very good product. I'm not affiliated, not sponsored, just a really good product, so I'll leave the link. The Clearcoat is the Cobra, sprays just like the Besney. I used to use the Besney a whole lot. The link that I have down below, again, comes from eBay. It's a very inexpensive Clearcoat, and I do recommend it, not sponsored or anything like that, just sharing out the products. And as far as the pigments from Eye Candy, I do have an affiliate discount, so if you guys use the code GT's Performance, you guys will save 15% on any color, any pearl from the website, anything you'd like, save 15%, so be sure to use that code. Other than that, leave some comments, let me know what you think about these two colors. And there's only 14 colors of these Ultrashift on the sample pack, so I'm going to be doing 2 colors at a time, you know, short, around 5 minutes each. And other than that, there's only 7 videos, but at the end of this, I do want to try to get my truck ready, sand it, spray some primer, and perhaps even spray an Ultrashift pigment on my truck, depending on if we find something that we like and that fits the style of the truck. I'll definitely paint my truck with an Ultrashift pigment. But that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I hope to see you on the next video. Peace out.